was reading this book and I just noticed something. From this Social of the Law, ang nakalagay dito is 17th century French courtesan, Ninon de Lenclos. But from around here naman, in 1643, however, Ninon's mother died suddenly, meaning Ninon de Lenclos was born around 16th century. So, paano magiging 17th century French courtesan kung from 16th century nabuhay siya? So, kung ganun, 22 years old around this time, so siguro mamamatay siya around 17th century. Hindi ko alam. So, let's try and research that. Ninon de Lenclos died on October 17, 1705. So, the very early stage of 17th century. Ang ibig sabihin ba ng ganito is, kung kailan ka namatay, dun yung time, kaya sabihin nila na 17th century person ka. Kasi, kasi ang pagkakaalam ko, nabuhay ka, kung saan ka nabuhay, dun ka mapapabilang sa time na yon. Ibig sabihin, kung 1999 ka, parang sabihin natin around 90s babies ka ba? So, paano naging 17th century courtesan kung nabuhay siya ng around 16th century and then namatay ng 17th century? Is that right? Mali ba yung author o mali ang pagkakaintindi natin? We don't know. So, one thing we can deduce from this section, ni-reference ng author na 17th century French courtesan si Ninon de Lenclos dahil naabutan pa rin niya ang 17th century, although she was born from 16th century. At syempre, around this time, matanda na siya at definitely wise and powerful person. So around this time na 17th century, itong kahit 5 years lang to, naabutan niya ba yung 5 years na yon as a peak of her career, siguro as a French courtesan. So siguro that's why the book and the author are saying that she is a 17th century courtesan because of that. So the next time na alam mo tama ka at mali yung sinasabi ng libro, think again. Author and publisher will not publish a book na hindi nila ni-review dozens of times. So think twice before judging the author and the publisher of the book.